All of the foods that will be discussed in this video can be enjoyed by just about anybody across every walk of life, as long as you do not have any underlying condition that can lead to unfavorable outcomes in your body. So make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy this video and learn something new. Hello and welcome back to Nurse Onyi Teaches. My name is Onyi. In today's video, I am going to be talking about certain food items that resemble the body parts where they are most beneficial. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. And if you are one of my returning viewers, thank you for coming back. Do not fail to hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notification bell, because that is how you know every time a new video is uploaded. Now keep in mind that not everybody can eat these foods. If you are one of those who has any issues or allergies with these foods, make sure you do not partake in any of them. If you are pregnant or you are breastfeeding, make sure you are talking with a healthcare provider who knows your particular health needs so that they can advise you on whether you should be taking in these foods. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in. The first food item we are going to talk about today is the walnut. The walnut resembles the human brain, and for good reason. This particular nut is loaded in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps the human brain to create neurotransmitters. Now, neurotransmitters are the little chemical messengers in your brain that helps you communicate with the left and the right parts of your brain and the rest of your body. It is also loaded in folic acid, vitamin E, and contains a lot of antioxidants, which stops inflammation and a lot of damage in the tissues in the brain and all over the body. It can help to prevent brain fog, which a lot of pregnant moms deal with, and can help to reduce the likelihood that you will deal with memory loss. The next food item we are going to talk about is the carrot. The carrot, when you cut into it, resembles the inside of the human eye. Now, carrots contain beta carotene, which are very beneficial for the vision. They can reduce the risk of you getting cataracts and even reduce the risk of getting macular degeneration. When you deal with cataracts or macular degeneration, you are not able to see things as clearly as they should be seen. And if not treated, these things can eventually lead to blindness. Carrots are also loaded with vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants, which help them fight inflammation, not just in the eyes, but all over the body. Now, if you know anything about carrots, they can be enjoyed in different ways. You can eat them raw, you can bake them, boil them, cut them up and put them in your soup. A lot of people enjoy it in salads. Just so many versatile things that can be done with the carrot. Our next food item is corn. Corn, if you look at it very carefully, resembles the human teeth. Now, corn has many benefits for your smile. If you didn't know, corn has the ability to decrease the chances that you will deal with dental plaque. Dental plaque, when not properly controlled, can lead to many different health issues. Outside of just the mouth, it can affect the heart. Now, corn has the ability to decrease the chances that you will also deal with cavities or any diseases that affect your mouth and can lead to the loss of teeth. It also contains a chemical known as polyphenols. Polyphenols are very useful for the decreasing of inflammation due to gum disease. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if you are eating a lot of corn, there is a chance that because it is a carbohydrate, it can become sugar in your mouth. So after you enjoy your corn, make sure you are rinsing your mouth out or brushing your teeth to decrease the chances that these carbohydrates can eventually lead to tooth decay. Our next food item is the sweet potato. If you look at the sweet potato, it definitely bears a resemblance to the pancreas. Now, if you did not know, the pancreas has many important functions within the human body. Its first function is to secrete or make enzymes so that when you eat your food, your body can break it down and absorb it. Its second function, however, is to create the hormone insulin so that when your body eats foods that contain sugars, your body can quickly regulate how much blood sugar is available. Now, when you eat the sweet potato helps the pancreas by balancing your glycemic index or by controlling how much sugar is available in your blood. When you eat sweet potato, you greatly improve your pancreatic function. And there's even research that shows that eating enough sweet potato can decrease the chances of you dealing with pancreatic cancer. So just one more thing for you to keep in mind. The next food item on our list is the mushroom. When you take the mushroom and you cut it in half, it resembles the human ear. Now, some of the functions of the human ear include hearing and the maintenance of proper balance. To support these functions, the mushroom supplies vitamin D to the body. Vitamin D is very critical for the absorbing of calcium in your body. When your body absorbs calcium, it uses it for different functions, including how your nerves function and to maintain proper bone health. If you did not know, there are three very important bone structures in the human ear. They are called the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. If any of these bones do not have the right amount of calcium because your body is not getting the right amount of vitamin D and they malfunction, then that can affect your hearing. And if any part of your ear, especially your middle ear, is not functioning correctly, it can affect your balance. Mushrooms are also rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, and as previously described, these are beneficial for the healing and restoration of the cells in the body, maintaining a healthy GI, and stopping inflammation in the ear. If you have ever had ringing in your ear, then you know that this is something that is not profitable nor enjoyable. So by giving your body enough mushrooms, you are supporting healthy ear function. Now, if you have learned something from the content of this video, do not fail to give it a like. Make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. If you know somebody who can benefit from this content, be sure to share it with them. Make sure you join this growing community of empowered learners who are becoming active participants in their own healthcare. I wish you sound health, and until the next video, be blessed.